Greetings! This is Sarah Canary, a technical writer on the documentation team at cPanel. I'm here to show you some of the basic features of the cPanel interface in cPanel and WHM version 58. Let's go ahead and log into cPanel. And here we are in the cPanel home interface. Your interface may appear a bit different from mine. It depends on whether your hosting provider or system administrator has branded your site with their logo and customized features. Some of the features and functions that you see in my interface might not appear in your interface. On the far left side of the interface, you'll see a sidebar with two icons in it. Click the Home icon from anywhere in cPanel to return to the cPanel Home interface. That's this first page that you see when you log into cPanel. Click the User Manager icon to quickly access the User Manager interface. This interface allows you to manage sub-accounts on your cPanel account. In the middle, taking up most of the space on your screen, you'll see a search bar and the full list of cPanel's features. To quickly find features, enter keywords in the search text box. The feature list will automatically filter as you type. Below this, you'll find the full list of cPanel's features, broken up by sections based on what each feature does. You can click and drag these sections to rearrange them, or click the minus sign in the top right corner to hide them. On the right side of the interface, you'll find lists of important information. The General Information section displays important information about your cPanel account, such as your account's username, the main domain for your account's home directory, the IP address that was used to log into your account for the last login, and your current theme. If your hosting provider has enabled this functionality, and your account is a reseller account that includes permission to access multiple accounts, you can use the Current User menu to search for and quickly switch between cPanel accounts. You can scroll to select the desired account from the menu, or use this search text box to quickly search if you have a large number of accounts. The domain that displays next to each account name is that account's main domain. If your account has access to more than one theme, you can use the Theme menu to search for and select a theme for your cPanel interface. Again, you can scroll to select the desired theme from the menu, or use the search text box. You can click Server Information to navigate to the Server Information interface, which displays additional information like your PHP version and the version of cPanel and WHM that your server runs. The Statistics section displays the current status of your quota usage. For example, if you're close to using all of the email accounts that are included in your hosting package, you'll see that here. For each item in the list, the first number is a measurement of how much you're currently using, and the second number is the total quota that you can use. If you've used 60% or more of your quota for an item, it will display in yellow, or if you've used 80% or more, it will display in red. Whenever you see a red or yellow item here, we recommend that you address the issue to make sure that you don't exceed your quota for something. Depending on your hosting provider's setup for your account, you'll see one of two icons here. If you see the wrench icon, you can click it to navigate to the appropriate cPanel interface to reduce your usage. For example, if I click the wrench here, I'll go to the Email Accounts interface, where I could remove email addresses to reduce the usage of my email accounts quota. If you see a plus sign, you can click it to navigate to a page that your hosting provider set up. Usually, this page will allow you to upgrade your hosting plan to increase your quotas. The top navigation bar also includes a search text box to allow you to search for features. It works just like the main search box. cPanel will filter the results as you type. Next to the search box, you'll see a menu with your cPanel account username on it. This menu allows you to quickly access some features so that you can use it to change your account password, change your interface's language, and change your account's contact information and notification preferences. You can use this last option, Reset Page Settings, to reset your display preferences. For example, If you change the order of sections down here in the feature list, this will change them back. Sometimes you'll see a red number next to this bell icon. If cPanel or your hosting provider have any important messages for you, you can access it here. Finally, you can click Log Out to log out of cPanel. And we're back to the login screen. This video only presented the basics of navigating in the cPanel interface. If you want to learn more, try our other tutorial videos. We have videos on many common tasks in the cPanel interface that walk you through step by step to help you get the most out of your cPanel account. For more information about cPanel, go to cPanel.com or follow @cPanel on Twitter. Thanks for watching and happy automating!